Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own custom merch. So, if this could be for your new book launch, this could be for your small business, it could be just for your content creation platform, whatever it is, this video is for you. And so, I'm going to teach you how I made this for the Creator Lab. This is actually going to be merch for the Creator Lab. And hopefully, by the time you guys see this video, it'll be up on the website, thecreateherlab.com for purchase. But I want to just show you guys how easy it is to do this. You don't even need a Cricut or Silhouette, cutting machine, but it does still require a little bit of an investment. So if you already have like a Cricut Easy Press, or if you have any type of heat press, that would be best. I know that there are some people that may use, an actual household iron. I do not recommend that because I can't really attest to the longevity, especially because you don't have any temperature control. The pressure that sometimes needs to be applied for certain, transfers, all of those things. But in this case, if you do have an Easy Press or something similar, this video is going to be very helpful for you. And hopefully, you can get your custom merch out very soon. I mocked up my designs in Canva just so that I had a good idea of where I wanted to place the designs and what it would look like on a t-shirt and tote bag. And then I went to jiffyshirts.com and I actually looked at their transfers by size. And so what I wanted to do was get them already made so that all I had to do was press them out. They tell you exactly what you need to do as far as temperature, pressure, all of that. And they got to me literally in one day. So they were really fast with getting those transfers out. And I had a few of them made for just samples. This is what the sample actually looked like. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like as I press these things out onto my samples. These are samples that are only going to be for me. So I tested these things out. I'm using the Cricut Easy Press. So there are some people that have, the more extensive, heat press machines. That's fine. That would be great to have that. But for me, since I'm making a low volume right now, this is all I really needed. And so I did mess up this brown shirt, but I was able to kind of fix it. Again, these are just for me. So, I'm just pressing these out, in my office, and just trying to make some samples and test things out, test the longevity of the samples. But you'll take that Easy Press. You want to follow the instructions given to you by whatever company you decide to go with as far as your transfers. Or if you're even using, the Cricut or Silhouette, if you wanted to do that, you could still, if your design is simple, you can actually use your Cricut or Silhouette machine as well. But here's how they came out, and I'm really happy with the result. I wanted that oversized t-shirt look for this one. I think that when I do go ahead and upload those to the site, I probably will do more options because not everybody likes the oversized t-shirt look. But these came out really well. I was really happy with it. And I hope that this helps you. You can use this for your book merch. I mean, the jiffyshirts.com, these transfers can be made with full color. So it doesn't have to be as simple as mine. Book launch, merch, anything that you can really think of. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know if you use this.